As the wheel of the year turns to Litha, the radiant summer solstice, we step into the longest day and the most powerful sun of the year. This is a sacred time of abundance, manifestation, joy, and inner fire. The earth is in full bloom, and so are we. In this moment of golden light, let these affirmations awaken your power, connect you to the rhythm of nature, and help you align with the magic of the season. Speak them, whisper them. Let them fill your heart, your home, and your spirit. Take a deep breath, feel the sun on your skin, even if only in your mind, and receive these sacred words as a spell of light, strength, and renewal. Blessed Litha, and so it is. I honor the sun within and around me. I radiate with the golden energy of the solstice sun. My inner fire burns bright with purpose. I'm the light, and I let myself shine unapologetically. I glow with vitality, warmth, and strength. The sun empowers me to rise into my highest self. I welcome the sun's blessings into every cell of my being. My solar plexus is open, strong, and radiant. I trust my own power to lead and inspire. The sun reminds me that I am worthy of being seen. I give thanks for the abundance already blooming in my life. I am in full bloom and open to receive. The seeds I planted are bearing rich fruit. I celebrate all I've grown, created, and nourished. Abundance flows to me like golden sunlight. I am grateful for the blessings of this season. I attract prosperity and joy with ease. I honor the sacred cycle of sowing and reaping. My life is fertile with opportunity and magic. I trust the timing of my harvest. The solstice is a portal to my deepest dreams. I am aligned with the magical rhythms of the earth. I channel the sun's power to manifest my desires. I am a powerful creator of my reality. I speak my dreams into existence with confidence. Magic surrounds me and flows through me. I align my will with divine timing. Everything I touch turns to gold. I manifest joy, freedom, and divine success. My vision is clear, my magic is strong. I am deeply rooted in the earth's wisdom. I honor the sacred fire of the sun and the grounding pull of the earth. I walk in harmony with nature. My spirit is one with the rhythm of the land. I listen to the whispers of plants and trees. I I celebrate the fullness of life all around me. I honor the sacred dance between sun and soil. I find magic in every bloom and blade of grass. I am a child of earth, blessed and protected. The earth nourishes me, and I give back with love. I embrace life boldly and passionately. I follow what lights me up inside. I allow my creativity to flow freely and wildly. I burn away doubt and shine with confidence. My passions are sacred and worthy of expression. I trust in my creative spark. I express myself with authenticity and joy. I let my wild feminine fire dance in the light. I am magnetic, radiant, and full of fire. I am unstoppable when I lead from my heart. I give myself permission to celebrate life. Joy is my birthright. I bask in the beauty of this moment. I dance with the sun, free and wild. I am open to receiving delight and pleasure. My heart is open to happiness and connection. I celebrate my growth and evolution. I honor the sacred joy of being alive. Every day is a reason to celebrate. I am present, alive, and filled with joy. I honor the light and the shadow within me. The solstice reminds me to stay centered in truth. I am whole, with all my parts sacred and loved. I balance action with rest, light with dark. I release what no longer serves my highest path. I trust that darkness teaches as much as light. I integrate lessons with grace and self-love. I forgive myself and others with ease. I'm grounded, clear, and centered in my truth. My light shines even through the shadows. I flow with the rhythm of the sun and stars. I honor my divine feminine power. My cycle is sacred, my body a temple. I receive and radiate divine light. I trust my inner wisdom and intuition. I am a vessel of divine creative energy. I honor the goddess within me. I embody softness, strength, and sacred sensuality. I bloom in my own timing and beauty. I trust the divine flow of my life. Every moment can be a sacred ritual. I bring intention and magic to the smallest acts. I honor the wheel of the year and my place in it. I light this candle in devotion to the light within me. I create space for the divine in my daily life. My rituals nourish my soul and align me with purpose. I offer gratitude to the sun, to the earth, to the divine. I make time to honor my magic. My spiritual practice is rooted, rich, and alive. My life is a sacred celebration of the seasons. I rise into my highest expression. I am free to be who I truly am. I am limitless in my potential and purpose. I expand into joy, passion, and freedom. I am aligned with my soul mission. I trust that the universe supports my path. I boldly follow my intuition and purpose. I'm becoming more of who I truly am. I honor this season of expansion and transformation. I'm ready to shine.